Good morning, my YouTube fam, y'all. It is my birthday, November 17th. And what is a great surprise on your birthday when you get one of your most favorite beauty subscription boxes in the mail? And y'all, I absolutely love my ice cream beauty box. Y'all know what to do. You want to see what's in it? I'll see you soon. All right, my loves. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy birthday to me. Look at this beautiful cardigan that Zezica sent me over. I absolutely love it. I love the pockets on it there. They're perfect size. I got pictures of this cardigan over on Instagram and Twitter up already for you guys. Let's get into Ice Cream Beauty, you guys. It's $25 monthly. You receive 5 full-size products. I love my Ice Cream Beauty. As y'all know, I get super excited when I get it. And it's super special today because it's my birthday today. What did we get for 25 bucks, you guys? Well, we got over $100 worth of products and your girl used it. Look at this gorgeous look I did. Now, I took the lip gloss off because one, y'all know I'm not a glossy person and I've got a lot of things to do today, so I don't want to have to constantly keep reapplying. The other reason is, I'll go ahead and show it to you. Here it is. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. And pretty soon I'll show the video of me using it, what the finished look was and everything for you guys. Absolutely stunning. I love the dofa on this, actually. Gorgeous. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it here for you. It is a light, kind of holographic pink, but it has like these beautiful little glitters in it. Look at that. That is just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Now, this gloss, you guys, let me get my little card out here for you. That's another thing I enjoy about Ice Cream Beauty. It always has the card, so you know the value of the product that you're receiving is. Now, the gloss is from Illuminati Cosmetics, and it is valued at $21. It is a $21 gloss, you guys. It's very pigmented, and it does have little cute sparkles of glitter in. Okay, guys, we're going to try this again. Had a person knocking on the door, got the dogs riled up. My husband's trying to sleep. He's working night shift. So as I was saying about the lip gloss from Illuminati, it has the cute little sparkles in it, like purple and greens and pinks in it. So, yeah, your girl's going to be eating cake and stuff all day long, so I did not want to wear it. Now, let's move on to this Beauty Blush Brush. Now, try to say that 5 times quickly. Ha! Funny, not going to happen. Look how dense it is. Yeah, I use the blush, which it's still got quite a bit on there. So just the blush I'm getting ready to show you, just barely dab in there, you guys. It is so pigmented. Look at it. Just gorgeous. Anyways, this blush brush, this is from Cheeky Rose Beauty. It's gorgeous. Stunning blush. Blush brush. I feel so bougie today, you guys. Wow, yeah. So this blush brush is valued at $36, you guys. And it worked phenomenal, which you'll see me in the makeup video I'm getting ready to play using it. I love it. I don't normally use brushes like this, but I really did love this blush brush. Perfect. All right, loves. Now let's move on to the gorgeous blush that we got. Still a little tongue-tied. This is from Bo Babe Beauty. Here it is, a little bit prettier. Stunning shade. This is the Beached Blush. Beautiful, large mirror in it. Look, it has a little shimmer. I actually put my fingernails in it. That's mine. Has a beautiful, there you go. Look at that shimmer that's in it. Gorgeous. Absolutely. Just, again, loved it. Very pigmented. Use very, very little. Very little. This blush, you guys, is valued at 25 buckaroos. Well worth it. You hardly have to use any of it at all, you guys. All right, loves, let's move on to the Matte About You palette. Pretty, pretty packaging. It actually came in this Ziploc baggie. It's called Lash Step Matte About You. Get her open. It's got a huge mirror in it. And guys, it's all mattes. 12 mattes. Huge mirror. Look at those. That black is black. Very, very black. Very pigmented palette. It is powdery, dusty, but if you use a very good eye primer, you don't get the fallout on it. and most very pigmented pressed pigments like this, mattes, pressed pigments, matte, two different things. This acted more like a pressed pigment than just a matte, you guys. It really, really did. So you will have a lot more kick up from pigments than you will just regular mattes. That's why I was like a little confused. Is it just mattes or is it pressed pigments? All I know is it performed amazingly. This is from, oh gosh, Lash Step. Sorry guys, I forgot. It's valued at $45, you guys. $45. 12 shades. Amazing mattes. Amazing. Okay, guys. Last thing we got is this setting spray with SPF in it. Like I said, it feels so bougie. Everything's so shiny and pretty for November. This is from, if I can get it open again, Joyce Bonelli Cosmetics. Here it is. Now, you'll see when I'm using it in the video, I'm like, I don't smell anything, like nothing from it at all. And it worked amazing. I mean, look, it dries down very well, and my makeup is held on very well today, very well. This is valued at $25. I'm going to pop that back on there. Again, it's so bougie. Everything's so pretty and shiny. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, loves, this is the part where we jump on into the makeup look. And as you seen earlier, what the finished look was, now we're going to play a video on how I did it. I'm only going to do one eye with you guys, so it's not very long at all. It's only like 3 minutes. Okay, loves, I hope you have a fantastic day, week, year, month, whatever you want to have. I'm going to go off and finish celebrating my birthday. Your girl will see you in the next video. Enjoy the makeup look coming up, guys. Make sure that you read down in the description and hit that little link below if you want to sign up for Ice Cream Beauty. All right, I'll see you guys later. let's watch you up even closer so that you can see the eye look quite a bit better. Now, the palette is phenomenal. Phenomenal matte shades. I mean, look at that. I just got like a light smoky look today, and I had to be very light, blend out a lot. Look at this black eyeshadow, you guys. Yeah, phenomenal eyeshadow palette. Love it, love it, love it. Setting spray, loved it, loved it, loved it. The blush, as I already carried on about, truly, truly loved it. I mean, look at that. Look at that pigment. Gorgeous. The gloss, as you all seen, it's gorgeous. It is a beautiful, beautiful gloss, but it does have glitter in it, and your girl's going to be on the go today, so unfortunately I'm not going to keep it on, and decided to go with this bold, bright red look for you. This brush, you guys, I don't normally use brushes like this. I mean, look at the density on it. Wow. Yeah, like, wow. All right, you guys, that's it for Ice Cream Beauty. Over $100 value in November's box. Happy birthday to your girl. So happy I actually got to unbox it on my birthday. I love my Ice Cream Beauty, you guys. All right, I'll leave all the information down in the description box for you guys. If you want to sign up for it, just hit the link down below for you guys. I'll see y'all later. Bye, guys.